The last step is to display the next view to the end user. We have to create this view. So go back to the friend controller class, get rid of this last line. We don't need it. The last line should be dispatcher dot dispatch to the next view. Let's create a view. If you go to the view, the dispatcher that you have created, the view name should be view student details.jsp. Copy that. Come back to web content, right click, new JSP file. Use that as a name, view student details.jsp. Finish. Give it a title. Student details is the title. And you can use JSP tags here. Student ID colon JSP colon get property. JSP colon get property. The property name is ID and the name of the bean is whatever you would have used to set it into the request dot set attribute. If you go back to the view student command, here you have set it using student details, request dot set attribute student details. So grab that name, come back to the new JSP, double click to maximize it, and you use that name here. So the JSP get property will look for a bean with this name in the request, and then it will use the ID field or retrieve the ID field by invoking the getter method, and it will display that to the end user. It will do that much for us. Copy this, paste it. Next is student name. The property name is name and student details will remain the same. So these property names, we are getting them from our VO, student VO. You should use the exact names, what you have defined here, ID and name. So you have successfully completed the last step, which is to simply display the ID and name to the end user.